Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the next part of my Honda Insight restoration. I've already, at the time of recording this video, cleaned the outside of the car as well as polished the paint, but every time I was getting in the car I would see these disgusting, nasty door jambs, and so that's why I wanted to get those cleaned up. The clips you're seeing on screen is a quick before and after to kind of give y'all an idea of what it looked like. It was absolutely disgusting after 23 years and 240,000 miles, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And this is the hatch area right here. As you can see, completely gummed up, full of junk, and I was able to completely take care of it. So what I ended up using to clean the door sill right here is I first sprayed it off with some of the water. I kind of did this in a bad order because I should have cleaned the interior afterwards, but I actually did it first. So I had to kind of watch the overspray. But you see the little bucket off to the side, that's just some generic car soap. But right here, to clean this door lock, whatever you'd call that, I used Dawn dish soap spray. And the reason I did that is because I didn't have engine degreaser on me at the time, but as you can see, it did work out really well. So right here, I'm using the same method with the cleaner to clean that other area that the door lock actuator's in. And as you can see, I do spray the dish soap right on it, and I sprayed the hose or the water in there as well. Going back, I would not do that again. It didn't break anything, but for a good day or two afterwards, after cleaning that, I could not use the lock button with my key fob. It did eventually start working again, but I'd rather avoid that and have y'all not have to deal with it. And from there, I used the Dawn dish soap again on the door jambs. Going back, I might have used engine degreaser just because of how gunked up this was in there, but engine degreaser was going to spray out a lot more, I guess we'll say violently, than the dish soap would, and so I just didn't want to worry about getting that all over my new clean interior. So for the next part of the video, this is just going to be some of the before and after photos I have. I don't think there's any more time lapses or cleaning recordings in here, but I wanted to do a little photo dump showing the difference of everything. In addition to the door sills and the door jamb before and after photos, you'll see right here I cleaned the tail lights when I removed them. I decided they're already off, might as well get this cleaned up back there. The blue tape was just to prevent some moisture getting in when I was spraying the water off, but really it was pointless to clean these, but I figured I might as well. The area that you're looking at right now, the drains usually, that turned out very well. I do need to apply a new 3M tape to the rubber like water guides that go in there, but that's the least of my concerns. And As you'll see for the rest of the video, the style or the order of the photos is just dirty before and then clean after. I did clean the back side of the taillights, you'll see, because there was some pollen from this being a southern car. But that is kind of about it for the cleaning. I encourage y'all to check out my playlist in the description with all my other restoration videos for this car. I'm really happy with how it's turned out, and I'm honestly surprised with how nice it got. But if you'd like to support me or the channel, my videos aren't monetized yet, so obviously I do all this just for fun to help y'all out. And so if so, my Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are in the description. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, I'd appreciate those in the comments below. I'd love to hear feedback from y'all. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for 1,000 subscribers.
Thanks for watching, guys.